Where does the name for Bryniau come from? So, today I'm in Conwy County again, and I'm just in between Deganwy and Llandudno, near the village of Llanros. And there is a very distinctive looking hill behind me, and it's called Bryniau. The name means hills, literally, and I think it was originally the name for the surrounding hills around us, but it's made of bryn, which means hill, and then the plural ending, iau, so hills. Now, the Welsh word for bryn ultimately comes from the Proto-Celtic word brwsw, which means breast, and it's the same root as the word brawn in Welsh, which means breast or chest. Now, interestingly, the word brwsw, or a form of it, brwsonios, was borrowed into the Germanic languages during the Proto-Germanic stage, which means that it's the ancestor for a variety of words in different languages across Europe. In Proto-Germanic, it became borrowed as brwsion, which then gave us the word bruin in French, brune in German, and the word byrnie in English. And it literally means a kind of armour made out of chainmail or leather which covers the chest. So the name of that hill literally means Bryniau. I appreciate it's been a bit of a short one. Anyway, diolch, thank you, subscribe for more, give us a share, give us a like, and if you want to support me on my mission to explain every place name in Wales, even the hills, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.